I have just the place for you. Let's go! Here we are at Ocean View Park, Residence 231, ready to experience the waterfront living at its best. There is plenty of glass and class in this elegant residence. Surroundings and ambience like this can change your day. Having it every day can change your life. Spacious and exquisitely appointed, 2-bedroom plus optional den, 2 baths will grab your attention the moment you walk in. It boasts over 1,700 square feet, including 270 square feet balcony. Being a corner unit with the largest floor plan in Ocean View Park development, it ensures more space between you and your neighbor. Featuring open floor concept, polished travertine floors throughout, and floor-to-ceiling windows, the residence is filled with natural sunlight and happiness. The wraparound balcony invites nature in, and the choice is yours. Watch the sunrise with the morning coffee, or sip a perfect margarita with the sunset. Love to cook? Kitchen is open and inviting, offering style, ease, and functionality. Having guests come over for a cookout or a barbecue? Ocean View Park has a fantastic outdoor space for your entertaining needs, rain or shine, complete with beautiful intracoastal and ocean views framed by tropical sights and sounds. Both bedrooms are very generous in space, with a comfortable walk-in closet in the master suite. The luxurious, elegantly appointed bathrooms are sure to satisfy the most discerning taste. Resort-inspired lifestyle, featuring a myriad of luxury amenities, is sure to put you in a sunny state of mind. Take a morning sunrise boat ride, or plan a day of fishing, or go for a swim. Just choose pool or ocean. Or perhaps you prefer a game of tennis or a round of golf. Check, check, and check. Additional amenities include heated waterfront swimming pool, sauna, jacuzzi, tennis, state-of-the-art gym, conference room, party room, billiard room, and so much more. Easy, comfortable lifestyle, suitable to all. You can make it a home, use it for vacation, or rent it out. Annual or short-term leasing is permitted, 1 lease per year. The unit is delivered turnkey, completely and exquisitely furnished, with high-quality furniture and everything you may need. It comes with 1 assigned parking space, plenty of guest parking, and an additional storage. Location is superb. within minutes from two major international airports and cruise ports, bustling arts and culture, world-class shopping, wide variety of restaurants, fantastic beaches, convenience stores, banking, great schools, playgrounds, parks and activities, offering endless fun in the sun. Home isn't just a place, it's a feeling. And this one could be yours today. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.